加拿大安省尼亞加拉警方表示，一個在逃疑犯同喺警員嘅交火中死亡。死者涉嫌尋日喺賓頓市槍殺一個女人，並且綁架一個1歲嘅幼童。警方初步調查顯示，案件疑似同親密伴侶爭執有關。
一個被加拿大安省警方追捕嘅男人，尋日下晝喺賓頓市一個停車場向一個女人連開多槍之後，帶走一個1歲細路女，中槍女人當場身亡。警方一度發出黃色警報追捕，行動持續到深夜，直到今日凌晨喺尼亞加拉瀑布市一個油站發現疑犯。
This was at about 2:30 this morning. There was an interaction involving the man and the officers, and then there was a discharge of a firearm at the man. The man was struck multiple times.
38歲疑犯德舍佩爾當場死亡。安省特別調查組已經啟動調查程序。
We received evidence that took us to Crystal Beach, and based on that evidence, a shelter-in-place was put in. That was to ensure not only the public safety, but the safety of our officers while they were looking for the subject, who was believed to be armed at the time.
警方話在場拘捕一個女人，相信當時同疑犯同車，可能係司機。至於被疑犯帶走嘅細路女已經被確認安全，健康狀況良好。